The Japan Table Tennis Association (JTTA) has unveiled its lineup for the highly anticipated 2021 World Table Tennis Championships, which will take place in Houston this November. As a world-class team, the Japanese men's table tennis team has sent all the active players to participate. The following players have confirmed their participation in the famous event, which will be held for the first time outside of Europe and Asia since 1939. The following are the main questions for the Japan team. Will the world number 3 Mima Ito be able to build her previous victories at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics? Is Harimoto, an 18-year-old wonder kid, poised to surprise the world once more with his exploit at the table? Can Kasumi Ishikawa carry the Japanese flag high after the recent Olympic Games? Before the departure, Tomokazu Harimoto and other players accepted a media interview. The teenager expressed his hope that the first goal is to get a medal. Tomokazu Harimoto said that, "I will try to win both 3 medals at this WTTC." Kokiniwa expressed that he will try to reach the top 4 men's single events. For the perspective of the overall strength, Mima Ito is currently the number 1 main force in Japanese women's table tennis. At this World Table Tennis Championships, she will participate in both women's single and women's double. Mima Ito said, "I was very happy in training this time. I believe that I am stronger than I was in the Olympics. I really look forward to the competition." Ishikawa emphasized that facing the first international competition after the Olympics, she was nervous and looking forward to it, hoping that she could achieve good results. Miyu Hirano pointed out that she is very happy to be able to participate in the competition and hopes to show advanced technical skills.